Hello everybody and welcome for a new 3D video. So on this video we are almost at the end of the gun making process. So as you can see we are cutting it in half with this plane because we want it to be printed in two parts. Like that we can assemble all and print it and glue it. So it's one of the latest videos for the gun that we will make because the gun is almost finished, but it is not, and so we have to assemble it and to test it together. So I tried some different modes of view to see more the inside of it, but as you can see we need to shape it off and just take this part off to make the little mechanism go through this. For those who don't saw the previous video, I recommend you to check them out because if you don't check them, you will not understand all the mechanism if you don't make 3D. So if you make 3D, you will understand that this is a really easy mechanism and that will not work because it's so easy that cannot work. It's obviously a rule in 3D. If it's too complicated, it will not work, and if it's over easy, it will not work as well. So you need to find the perfect balance. So I'm just taking this part off because it won't fill in that, and I'm just shaping everything out in, just trying to make a little bit of sorting out of here. As you can see, we can just take this off and round this a little bit to make it nicer. So the gun is almost finished like this. We can see what it will look like. I was testing how to make you see the whole process of printing, but it won't work. And as you can see, I broke a piece and this one won't move. So we need to make another one. So see you in the next week to see what progress we made. Thank you for watching.